So hi everybody, we are going to continue with part 1.3 for chapter 1 basic concepts of geometry. Okay, so this we had done, what you can see is the question number 3, the part 4 of practice set 1.1. Okay, this we had done sum for betweenness. Okay, so in this sum we always consider, as I said, in order to solve these sums, that is to show whether the 2 points are between the other. Okay, what we do is we consider, first we see what is given, consider the biggest distance, freeze it, then go to the next, add the smaller two distances. Okay, and if they are equal, they are collinear. If they are not equal, they are not collinear, means these 3 points are not collinear, and this is how it is written. So this was for betweenness. Now we're going to go to question number 4. This also tells us about betweenness. Okay, now let me read the question for you all. That is, let's see all of us. On a number line, point A, comma B and C are such that distance AC is 10, distance CB is 8, and distance AB, find distance AB considering all the possibilities. Now, since as we saw, the possibilities when it comes to betweenness. So this is betweenness only, the concept. Here we have 3 possibilities. Okay, so as you had seen the examples, now let's just see that example again. Page number 3. Okay, so if PQ are 3 distinct collinear points, there are 3 possibilities. Q is in the middle, R is in the middle, and P is in the middle, as you can see in the diagram. Okay, so similarly we'll do to this also. Okay, so we'll have 3 cases. Okay, we'll do one below the other only. Okay, so it is easier for us to understand. So this is sum number 4. We are solving sum number 4 of practice set 1.1. Okay, directly. We will not write given solution and all for this. Let's just solve it directly. Okay, so there are 3 conditions. So we'll draw 3 lines and I will solve below it. Okay. So let's see the first condition, that is point A, B, C. So normal condition लेते पहले order में A, B and C. Now let's take C in the middle. If I take C in the middle, A and B will be on the side. Now let's take A in the middle. Okay, if I take A in the middle, B and C will be on the either sides. So these are the only 3 possibilities. There's nothing apart from this. Let's see, they've given us the particular thing. Let's solve it. So they've given us distance, 2 distances. Let us find AB with the help of these 2 given. Okay, so in this case, so here only given, we will take for the diagram itself. Okay, so on the number line, A, B and C are such that distance AB is 10, AC is 10. So they have told us distance AC is 10 units. So this whole thing is 10 units. Okay, next distance CB is 8 units. So first we apply the thing of betweenness और उसके बाद हम लोग distance normal जैसे आप लोग calculate करते हो addition subtraction करके, तो हम लोग इसमें सिर्फ एक करेंगे. Okay, so distance AC is 10, distance BC is 8 units. We have to find distance AB. Okay, so we have to find distance AB. तो कैसे करोगे? Find distance AB. See kids, I always use only one method. ओके, एक ही फॉर्मूला नहीं बोलते, इसको मेथड बोलेंगे हम लोग. ठीक है, क्योंकि इफ आई वांट डिस्टेंस AC, इट विल बी सम ऑफ AB प्लस BC. ओके, अगर हमको AC डिस्टेंस कवर करना है तो AB पहले कवर करना पड़ेगा, फिर BC नेक्स्ट. सो हम लोग उसको वैसे ही इक्वेशन लिखेंगे. इससे पहले हमने जितना जो किया था, तो डिस्टेंस A, C इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस AB plus distance BC. Okay, Now we put the values. Distance AC is given as 10 units. Distance AB we have to find out. So you write as it is. Same method for everything, okay? Plus distance BC is 8 units. Now whatever is unknown, this is unknown, you keep it as it is. Take this number to the right. जब आप right लोगे उसको equation के, तो this number changes its sign. इधर units लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So 8 changes its sign. So 10 will remain as it is. 8 jumps over here, becomes -8. That is therefore distance AB. 10 minus 8 is 2 units. Therefore 2 is equals to distance AB. So in this case, distance A comma B is equals to 2 units. Okay, in this case, where B is in the middle. Okay, let's try for when C is in the middle. Distance AC is 10 units. Okay, then BC, I think they have given us, correct, or CB as 8 units. Okay, we have to find AB. So again, find AB. Very important sum. ठीक है? So this gives you, like, you know, a glimpse on everything, that every combination that you can do. It's a very nice sum. Okay, so distance AB. Now solution. Okay, so as I said, see which is the biggest distance over here. So इधर हम लोग ने AC add किया था. इधर now the corner 2 points. So distance AB. So distance A comma B, 2 endpoints. Distance A comma B is equals to distance A comma C is distance AC plus distance CB plus distance CB. Okay, distance AB is equals to AC plus CB. Therefore, what do we do? Put the now distance AB. Okay, we do not know, we have to find it out. आपको इधर तो दिख रहा है, ठीक है, 10 plus 8 दिख रहा है 18, but we cannot write over here 18. ठीक है, हम लोगों को find out करना है क्योंकि AC और CB दिखा है. Okay, so we have to find out over here. So write distance AB as it is. This is comparatively easier as compared to this example. ठीक है, so here distance AC is 10, distance CB is 8. Add both of them. Therefore distance A comma B is equals to 10 plus 8, that is 18 units. Okay, are you understanding? Okay, so we are done with this. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, last one for today. AC is 10, BC is 8. Now you can clearly see the longer distance is 8, shorter distance is 10. So this condition is not possible. Okay, so this is not a possibility, so it cannot be solved. So we leave this out. Okay, abhi I just did this to show it to you all, so you do not need to do it only. आप लोग तीनों रफ में पहले ये 3 डायग्राम रफ में ड्रॉ करो, उनके ये यूनिट्स देखो और जिसमें पॉसिबिलिटी है वो सॉल्व करो, जिसमें पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है लीव इट. ओके, so this is not a possibility, as you can clearly see. The longer distance is being given as 8, shorter is 10, which is not possible because 10 is the longer distance. Okay, so we are done with sum number 4. Now ये similar lines पे हम लोग करेंगे sum number 5. Points x comma y comma z are collinear. Okay, such that now first of all they are telling you that they are collinear. So पहले हम लोग वो draw कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, given, so they are telling us कि collinear है, बस distance find करो. ठीक है, so now in this they are telling us to find the distance given that the points are collinear. ठीक है, so x y z are collinear. Points x y z are collinear. See in this just remember 2 things. Always write all the steps. Second, pencil use करो भाई diagram draw करने के लिए. Here I do not have that liberty because I do not have that much time. Okay, ठीक है, so points x y z are collinear such that distance x y is equals to 17. Distance x y is equals to 17 units. distance yz is equal to 8 units. Find distance xz. We have to find distance xz. Okay. So find distance x comma z is equals to how much? Very easy when you all see it. Okay. Remember to write units over here. It's just better. Okay. You have to find distance xz. Solution. Okay. What do we do? So distance normally देखो xz are the corner 2 points. Distance xz is nothing but distance xy plus distance yz. Okay, so that only. Distance x comma z is equals to distance x comma y plus distance y comma z. Y comma z. I hope you can see it. Therefore, we don't know distance xz, so we'll find distance xz is equal to xy is given as 17 units plus this is 8. Okay. Okay. So we'll add. Therefore, distance x comma z is equal to, you add this, that is 25 units. Okay. So this is your sum that is done. This is your question 5. It is as simple as this. So जैसे मैंने बोला 3 is a little different. That is there in your point 1.2. Just go through it. Okay. 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5, 6, 7 comparatively questions are easier. Okay. So we will be continuing with practice set 1.1 abhi question number 6. So we will do question number 6. Let's just see question number 6 first and then solve the sums. Now I will be solving 2 of the sums and then I will leave the third for you all. Okay. Let's see. Let's try. Sketch proper figure and write the answer of the following questions. That only there is a distance that will need to be found. Okay. So if A dash B dash C, this dash नहीं है, ये बोलते A B C, that is the particular order दिया जा रहा है. If A dash B dash C and length AC is 11, length BC is 6.5, then length AB is equals to how much? So this is your first question. Let's deal with that itself. Okay. So that is 6th का first question. ठीक है. If given, we'll directly draw the figure. A dash B dash C is nothing but collinear है, line में है, and that particular order. You do not have to change the order. Okay, so A dash B dash C. A dash B dash C. So length AC is equals to 11. Length AC is equals to 11 units. BC is equals to 6.5 units. Okay. Now in this they are telling find length AB. So similar sum, no much difference. Okay. I hope you all can do it. But only difference is these are number. This is a whole number which we are minusing from a decimal. Okay, that's the only difference over here. If you are having difficulty in minusing a whole number from a decimal, please go to our channel where you all can to our channel, and there is a chapter series called as nuts and bolts. In that हम लोगों ने basics cover किए हैं, तो उधर जाके आप whole number minus whole number पे decimal number पे operations देख सकते हो, operation on decimal numbers. ठीक है. So here. Okay, so let me do, I'll do directly only. Okay, so find distance A comma B is equals to how much. ठीक है. Therefore first पूरा equation लिखो जैसे हम लोग लिखते हैं, distance A comma C corner points is equals to distance A comma B plus what is left? Distance B comma C. Excellent. Therefore, AC is already given. Put the values. 11 is equals to distance AB. We do not know. Plus distance BC we know 6.5 units. Okay, as I told you, what is unknown, freeze it. Go to the next step. So ये जो है 6.5, it will jump over here. But here it is adding, here it will get subtracted. ठीक है? So therefore, 11 minus 6.5 is equals to distance A comma B. ठीक है? Therefore, 11.0 minus 6.5. Okay, so count backwards from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We already know it is 5. Okay, so ये आया 5 point. Now, one more thing you can do, normal borrowing से भी हो सकता है ये. Okay, so let me just show you that in short. 11.0 and 6.5. 0 में से 5 नहीं जाता है तो we'll borrow. 1 becomes 0, this becomes 11. 11 becomes 10, 1 gets carried away. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, so this is the right way of doing it. Okay, so which is the right answer, this or this? Okay, let's finally last check. 11.0 minus 6.5. ठीक है, pay attention now. Again, I have done two ways. मुझे 2 आंसर मिले, तो इसका हम लोग करेक्ट कैसे करेंगे? ठीक है, या तो आप लोग इसे गड़बड़ करते हो एग्जाम्स में, तो मैं एग्जाम्पल दिखा रही हूँ आपको. So 1 becomes 0, we carry over 1 over here. Okay, this is 11, पर ये 0 में से 5 नहीं जा सकता. ये आपका बेसिक है जो आप लोगों ने 5th 6th standard में सीखा है. ठीक है, I'm just revising it and I'm doing a mistake so that you can understand which of it is correct. 11 में से 1 हम लोगों ने borrow किया तो इधर रह जाता है 10 and we get 10 over here. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 10 minus 6 is 4. So carry over. Please do not do something like this. ये आप कॉमन मिस्टेक करते हो, एकदम फास्ट जो गड़बड़ में सब करने जाता है. So this is your answer, 4.5. So 4.5 units is equals to distance A comma B. So this you are done with the first sum. Okay, let's move on to sum number 2. Sum number 2, question 6. Sum number 2, practice set 1.1. Okay, sorry, this page is dirty, so I changed it. Okay, so sum number 2. R dash S dash T. So simple. R, it's in the order, they are collinear. R, S and T. ST is 3.7. Again they have point sums और ऐसे point में ही सम आते हैं और ये particular question बहुत ज़्यादा important है, question number 6. Okay, R dash S dash T. ST is equals to 3.7 units. RS is equals to 2.5 units. Now they are telling us to find RT. So length RT is unknown. So given, find distance R comma T is equals to how much? Okay, solution. Distance R comma T, see, by this only we come to RT. Distance RS बचा है ST. So addition, that is distance R comma S plus distance S comma T. Okay, therefore you can give the reason for this as R dash S dash T. Okay, because you add. Always remember to give the distance. Okay, I have not given in the first sum and the example. Okay, distance RT we have to find. Distance R comma T is equals to 2.5 plus 3.7. Again नहीं समझ आया अगर एडिशन इसका तो प्लीज नट्स एंड बोल्ट्स की सीरीज देख लो, ठीक है. ऑपरेशंस ऑन डेसिमल्स. सो हियर प्लीज डू नॉट ऐड लाइक एज इफ यू हैव नेवर हर्ड की डेसिमल्स कैसे ऐड करते हैं. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 here, 1 carry. 5 and 1, 6. 6.2. Therefore, distance r comma t is equals to 6.2 units. So, I think that is done. Okay. I'll do it here only. बट नहीं, ये तो थोड़ा सर्ड्स है तो हम लोग इसको थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. सो लेट्स डू इट इन अ डिफरेंट पेज. Okay, last sum. Okay, sorry about this, I'm running out of pages today. Okay, okay. Now let's do the last sum, that is third one. Question 6, the third sum. Okay, now these are based on surds. Distance x, y, z. ठीक है. So x dash, y dash, z. Then xz is equals to 3 root 7, 3 under root 7. Again for this also go to nuts and bolts series. Surds के basics कर लो एक बार. Okay. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन सर ये अंडर रूट एक्स के जैसे ले लो. ये जैसे 3 रूट एक्स है, 3 रूट 7 है, तो उसको टेक इट एज एक्स. इमेजिन इट टू बी 3x. ओके, इमेजिन दिस सर्ड टू बी x एज ऑफ नाउ. ठीक है, तो आप लोगों को करने में इजी होगा. एंड डिस्टेंस एक्स वाई इज इक्वल्स टू ओनली अंडर रूट 7, दैट इज x है सिर्फ. ठीक है, तो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस. एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड yz we have to find. Okay, so again corner distances. Here I'm not writing the steps. Okay, I don't want the video to become too big. So distance x comma z is equals to distance xy plus distance yz. Distance xy plus distance yz. Therefore distance xz is equals to distance xy plus distance yz. ठीक है, I'm just writing it twice so that you all know कि भाई ये हम लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. डिस्टेंस xy है xy plus yz. ठीक है, let's go further. Okay, now distance xz is given, yes, 3 under root 7. Okay, and distance xy is given only under root 7 plus distance yz. ठीक है, what we do not know, freeze it in the place. Therefore 3 under root 7, this under root 7 will come here, minus under root 7 is equals to distance y comma z. As I told you, take this under root to be x. Imagine करो उधर x है, तो 3x minus x is nothing but 2x. Answer is 2 root 7 units is equals to distance yz. So this is your sum. I have not written all the steps for these sums properly, this one specifically, but make sure you write all the steps. Okay, and we will be done. Okay, so now let's deal with the remaining questions. The similar questions for this will be, now question 7 आप deal कर सकते हो. Let's deal with question number 7. Which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? तो 3 non-collinear points से एक ही figure form होता है, वो है आपका what do you say, triangle. 3 non-collinear points. ठीक है, so we are done.
I hope you've all enjoyed this part of the chapter series, just as you would enjoy your favorite book with a hot cup of tea. So, ECOT, that is everyone's cup of tea, will bring to you many more such chapter series along with detailed explanation and solution of the exercises that are there in your textbook. We wish to bring to you this and more at zero cost so that the hardest chapters become your cup of tea. So help us by clicking on this button get notified about our upcoming chapter series. Also, share it to help us define education through equality. Do message us any doubts that you have on our Instagram handle, Everyone's Cup of Tea, and we promise to answer them. Thank you and keep sipping. Bye.